We'll guide you through how to adjust DaVinci Resolve settings for Instagram to make sure your content looks perfect on the platform. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and go to the top menu, click on File, and then select Project Settings. In the Project Settings window, go to the Master Settings tab. Here, you need to change the timeline resolution to fit Instagram's preferred dimensions. For most Instagram posts, you'll want to set this to 1080 by 1350 pixels, which is a 4:5 aspect ratio. If you're creating a story, set it to 1080 by 1920 pixels for a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. Once you've adjusted the resolution, make sure the timeline frame rate matches your video footage, typically 24, 30, or 60 frames per second depending on what you shot. After setting the resolution and frame rate, click Save to apply the changes. Now, head over to the Deliver page by clicking the Deliver tab at the bottom of the window. Under Render Settings, choose the Custom option. In the Format dropdown, select MP4, and make sure the codec is set to H.264 for compatibility with Instagram. Set the resolution here to match what you set in the timeline settings. Also, ensure the quality is set to Best for the highest possible video quality. Before you hit Add to Render Queue, double-check the audio settings are set to AAC with a sample rate of 48 kHz for clear sound. Once everything looks good, click Add to Render Queue and then Start Render to export your video. And that's it. Your video is now perfectly optimized for Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.